Hi, I'm Lauren Gordon. Hi, I'm Lauren Gordon. Hi, I'm Lauren Gordon. Thank you so much. It's so good to see you again.
All the way, Lauren.
Say what? Like, am I showing too much cleavage? And I used to be a lawyer, but I hated it, so stopped doing that. And then I raised 3 kids who are amazing. I said, I want you home at 10 p.m. and not a minute later. Do you hear me, young man? And I decided, now that they're older, to try my hand at acting, which I've always had an interest in. And I've always been a very humble person. Honey, how stupid are you? I said I wanted the Mercedes S-Class 2018 in black. This is my last cigarette, I swear. I've always been into healthy eating and I've always been into healthy eating and living a healthy lifestyle. I'm a hot yoga instructor. I hike with my dogs. I play tennis. I ski. I just love the outdoors. Hi, I'm Lauren Gordon, and I'm the one you want for your next production.